Test PX. Clogged catalytic converter, Mazda Tribute. The car owner complained about a loss of engine power above 3,000 RPM. The PX test analyzed the signal and displayed restrict exhaust for 1,500, 4,000 RPM. The table shows that the exhaust back pressure is higher than the usual in the whole range of engine revolutions. Consider the graphic tab Exhaust System. The red color graph should be centered in the corresponding zone. It is seen that at all engine speeds the exhaust back pressure is higher than it should be. Once the clogged catalytic converter was replaced, the exhaust back pressure graph looked like this. The cause of the failure was a clogged catalyst.